Introducing the 2008 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck has just over 80,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Toyota prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and much more. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.